I'm Lynn, and I've been a patient of Hood Chiropractic now for 6 months, and I've noticed a dramatic change in my lifestyle. I was a disabled senior citizen for 15 years on a walker. I was 12 hours out of 24 hours in bed with 20 bottles of medicine sitting next to me, not knowing what can I do. And I didn't want back surgery, I didn't want neck surgery. I've been through 12 surgeries. So I found Hood at the Largo Fair, Senior Fair, and I went to him, and I've been feeling so great ever since. I'm more mobile, I'm more stable. My memory, I thought I was getting into Alzheimer's because my mom has it. My memory is so sharp. I do every crossword I can think of in the book. And I owe it all to Hood Chiropractic because they've drastically changed my whole life. More than any doctor in 50 years that I've ever been to. And Hood is good.